The BKK Futar app has been updated and is now called BudapestGO. The journey planning interface is clearer and is much easier to use. In the Search Routes, Lines or Stops, enter your destination. You can also search for a line, address or stop. While planning your journey, you can use your current location, and you can even enter saved locations such as your home or workplace. You can easily set the app to plan your journey based on your date of departure or arrival. Go to Settings and select the most suitable route. You can choose a route with the fewest transfers or less walking. In case you wish to use the accessible transport services, the app also offers only low-floor vehicle routes. You can even tailor-make your journey by selecting Mol Bubi or Own Bicycle. You can also plan your journey with real-time data for MAV, the train, and HEV, the suburban railway services, which can also be used if you have a BKK pass. Buy your ticket, plan your trip, get to your destination easily. Travel with BudapestGO. Download or update the BudapestGO app.